Let me help you understand what, why and how financial literacy. Well, there are few myths जिसको दिमाग से हटाना पड़ेगा. Financial literacy is not about money investment, is not about money growth, is not even about money management. That will only come when the children understand what is money, where is money coming from, what are my needs and wants, how to do the budgeting, how to do the basic saving, spending, sharing. What is entrepreneurship? It is not about selling lemonade from a lemonade stand. It is also about understanding money and careers. It is about how did money evolve. There are so many things age appropriate which we have to start teaching. Fortunately or unfortunately, money is only introduced in the maths book as one single isolated lesson. And because maths is difficult, money automatically becomes difficult. Entire research for last 5 to 6 years studying various economies of the world, we realized that children need structured, age-appropriate program to study and understand financial literacy. And we thought we are going to support the trainers with the entire set of resources. We look forward to getting connected with children, parents and school who think and believe that yes, studying financial literacy can completely change the way their children think and can rebuild the future the way they want and be exactly future ready. Let me quickly help you understand what is the difference between money-mindedness and money-mindedness. Well, most of us by default are money-minded. You would like to agree when you listen to this. If money is everything, we easily get jealous when somebody is earning more. We believe that money to these people is coming automatically. We feel these people don't have to do hard work. The decisions are very impulsive. We see things around and we say, I want it right now. We just end up getting confused. This is money mindedness. What is money mindfulness? Well, these people understand what is the difference between needs and wants. They understand that money is important. They understand that there is consistent hard work when somebody is building a skill, product, service, business, and from there the money comes. They respect all kind of work. It could be job, business, or any kind of career. Children are very well groomed on delayed gratification. They exactly know what to value: money, happiness, and real life. That is how exactly My Peso, the series for financial literacy, which is impacting more than 1 lakh children by now, we realized and we saw the difference in children, their thought process, the happiness which parents have, the change which teachers are feeling, and overall the school growth